It's our little rocker that Donna from Dream Creation and Adventures gave us. Comfortable little rocker. We've been over here working today. We got so hungry we had to come in here and fix us something to eat. We looked in the box back here and we found some pancake mix. So we made us up a batch of pancakes and some coffee. We're going to eat the pancakes here in a little bit. We already ate half of them, but and we're going to get to work. We're going to show you what we've been up to, and going to show you how we pour one of them concrete. We're not going to pour the slab. We're just going to show you how we're doing it. I'll show you them pancakes real quick. We buy that pancake mix in this little bottle right here. And man, they make the best pancakes I ever ate. You can see they got some big old pieces of blueberry in them. But we had to get us a little something to eat real quick here before we go out back over into the barn. We'll make us another little cup of coffee here. Heck yeah, we are. It's a beautiful day here in the Buckeye State for sure. Right there's an old burner off the stove. Heck yeah. Let's go over to the barn. Real quick, in case you're wondering how me and Brenda lounge around in the cabin. We just kind of kick back on them right there with sleeping bags. But I'm going to show you an old-fashioned rock crusher. I got one. It's one of the oldest ones that I know of. Got to have a little fill in for that concrete. So we got this big rock pile. We've been over here crushing some stone with the rock crusher. Yeah. Real quick, we'll show you the concrete we're using here. We was using the Sackcrete, but we switched over to the All-Star. All-Star concrete mix. Easy to use, just add water. It didn't take a whole lot of the work out of it for putting it in the bag, that's for sure. But that's the concrete that we mixed. We're going to mix it up in that wheelbarrow down there. And we got to put some more fill in here. And then we're going to pour the concrete slab. But just real quick, I want to make another video real quick to show you how we go about it. We'll mix up 3 bags in the wheelbarrow. And we'll dump it in there. Also, we went from an 80-pound bag to a 60-pound bag. Brenda researched it on the internet there. We can get this a lot cheaper. A lot cheaper than buying the 80-pound bags. But anyway, we just wanted to kind of show you what we've been up to, and we hope to make another video. We'll show you what that looks like when we get it poured. Man, we're going to have to get some chickens. Hopefully in the spring, I guess, if we don't get too many jobs going on. Let me say God bless to you. That's how we're pouring the concrete slabs. We're going to pour about 35 of those bags. It's 60 pounds of bags, so you can do the math there. We get the water. We got rainwater. So we got plenty of water, and it's a beautiful day. Again, let me say God bless to you, and you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks for coming by the channel and watching the video. We'll catch you in the next one.